Greetings, fellow Gators. Welcome to another part of the Atlantis project, and basically the last part of the Atlantis project, as well as the part of the accessories mini-series. Because in this video we will take a look at the very last ship that will complete our Atlantis fleet. And that ship will be Hatak, as you can see. Why Hatak? Once again, why not? I chose Hatak mainly because we had Biliskner as a previous ship, which was from Asgard, our allies. So now we have Hatak, which is from Tok'ra, our other allies. I simply suppose that after the fall of the Goa'ulds, Tok'ra salvaged few or even some fleet of Hataks. So why not? This ship is certainly in scale because the Hatak CGI model was 700 meters wide, long, or whatever. So as you can see, it's quite big, but it indeed was. Which kinda put things into perspective, because if you remember from the episode Serpent Venom and even from the Lost City and the movie Continuum, the Apophis and Anubis motherships were really gigantic, and the Hataks were really tiny compared to them. So on that you can see quite well that basically those two ships, Apophis and Anubis motherships, were almost the size of Atlantis, or comparable sizes. Anyway, enough of the rambling, and let's take a look how it is done. Exactly the same as with Biliskner. So we have two halves and three pins, and that's it. Nothing else is there. So as you can see, once again, very primitive. So yeah, okay, so that's it, and I guess we can go now and print it and assemble together, which will conclude this series. Okay.
Okay, here it is. It's already painted, and as you can see I already inserted the three pins. So now we will take the second half, which is already painted as well, and put the two halves together. And it's together, and here's the resting place, so like this. So we will now put it on the Atlantis. Okay, so we will take the piece and put it here. Like this, and now we will take the hot dog and simply put it here. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, our fleet is complete. So we have here the Hatak 304, 303, Aurora, Destiny, and Biliskner. Yeah, theoretically I can continue and make other ships that I made in scale, but I think that for now I will leave it as it is. So I hope you liked it, and we will see each other in the next project. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.